everyone, Dutchman Mods and Repairs. We got a video today on our hot tub dealing with adjusting the caps on top here, the little knobs, and the caps underneath for proper tension to allow you to divert your valves or turn your valves on and off easily without damaging the diverter valve stem underneath or breaking the cap itself. So let's dive into it. So let's look a little bit at one of the two things that could be causing the cap here from being too tight to turn. This one here isn't too bad. There was a little bit of effort, but that's for the little tower things there. We don't use it that much, but still you could run into a situation where your cap here is too tight. I mean, that will begin to turn there, but after a while that's going to fatigue this valve stem here. I mean, that thing is just on most of these, it's just a straight piece of plastic down. So with too much torque on there, you're going to end up doing what I actually have done twice now on ours, and I broke off the very top of these. Now you can replace just that piece there, but you never want to get to that point. So you can loosen this cap a little bit, but one of the things, and that will help, so let me just, so we're going to loosen that up just a little bit, not a lot. We're going to kind of okay, so I can kind of do that a little bit better, but here's the problem. You see the water coming out there? Down underneath there, there's an O-ring, and if you loosen this up too much, in this particular loop on the hot tub, there's water always running, and you'll get water just leaking out all over the place, and you don't want that. So you can kind of see as I tighten down here, that water stops running. So you don't want to crank it down for two reasons. One, you'll just flatten out the gasket underneath there, and then two, it's gonna kind of pinch and put pressure on this valve and cause that to be hard to turn. So just something to keep in mind if you have a cap that's too hard to turn the valve one way or the other. I've already gone around and adjusted all of these, and that's just something I learned today. So hopefully you find this helpful. Hopefully it saves you some time and money, and yeah, best of luck to you in figuring your issue out. If you have any with your valve covers like that, if you would subscribe to the channel, we appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching the video. Have a good one.